Hi everyone and welcome to Armcandy. Today we've got for you this lovely Louis Vuitton Neonoe MM. It's a gorgeous bag, a really beautiful colour. Comes with this adjustable shoulder strap. It has a drawstring closure at the front, so if I pull that down, inside you can see it's got one central zip pocket to open. It's quite a good size, and then either side you've got a large pocket. It's quite a spacious, roomy bag. We put it down as in perfect condition, interior and exterior. It's absolutely lovely. Hardware, as you can see, is beautiful and barely marked. So that comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, which has the barcode sticker on the back. And so the Louis Vuitton care booklet and the Louis Vuitton fabric card. So whilst you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you want the exact measurements for this bag, you can click on the link in the description below, and that should take you directly to the bag. If not, it means it's probably sold out, but there should be lots of other lovely bags on there for you. So if I just show you the size of this, as I said, it's got a long shoulder strap, so that kind of sits about hip height on me. That's how you like to wear it, crossbody. If not, it does adjust if I just do that. So it's got sort of a press stud adjuster, and then that is more of a shoulder bag, so if you prefer to wear it like that. Whilst you're on the website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, because you can then get your first order discount. Also, if you'd like to sell any of your Armcandy with us, all the details are on there as well. So that's all we've got for you today, and thanks very much. See you soon.